Hi folks, here's Marcus again from Montag Steins Clocks, and today we would like to make a short video for you folks because we get the questions more and more often how to hang up a clock right. So most important actually is of course the hook in the wall or the screw. That's up to you. We of course here in the store have special walls because we have a lot of clocks and a lot more than for you at home. Important is here when you have the clock, most of them all have 3 holes. This here is actually, well, you shouldn't touch that. This here is to open up later on the box to look inside to the mechanism. That's why you can close that as well. And you actually put the hook in the upper hole. Yeah, the upper hole also has a little trick for you. Later on when you want to position it, you actually also can open up the window and see where the hole is at the back and then adjust it to the hook. Can you see that from the camera? Yeah, then you adjust it to the hook and then the clock hangs on the wall. Important is for positioning because the mechanism of course is a bit sensitive. Yeah, it's very good engineered, but the clock has to hang straight. So you can take any of the leveling things. Yeah, you can put a little ball, a coin, or you take a bubble level to put it on that the clock is straight. Yeah, if you have it hanging like this or so, it probably will not run correctly. So always straight is important. Another thing where we have a lot of questions, it's not just straight on the front, it's also very important that you have it straight on the back. So if you want to come around, sometimes the clock tilts a little bit too much, just like this. Yeah, then you see here the gap. Then it could be that the clock, the cuckoo clock door stands open or the pendulum is not moving correctly. So it also should be hanging straight at the back. Yeah, so here, before you saw those little bumpers, they made out of felt. You can adjust with something like that, or a piece of carton, or anything else which you have at home. Yeah, it's just important that the clock hangs straight. And once it hangs straight, usually you can tell that by your eyesight as well, and you give the pendulum a swing, the clock should tick evenly. Yeah, you hear that tick, 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 tick. That's very important. And then of course you also can test it as well. And before changing anything on the pendulum, for that I have to say all the pendulums what we have from us, all our clocks that we sell are tested at least 72 hours that they run correctly and the pendulum is adjusted. Most of them even a week or so. So that's important. If you do any changes, let the clock run at least 24 hours or 48. Yeah, on a one-day clock of course you only can do 24 before you do any adjustments. And on the pendulum, if the clock runs too fast, it's lower for slower. Now, so this hint you can keep in mind. Lower for slower. This way you make the clock run a little bit with less speed. Well, that's about it for that information about how to hang up a clock right. If you have any more questions or need some more information, just put them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Wish you the best. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.